Welcome to Rome. It's a place where the people are friendly. There's a circus you can visit all year round. You can barter with locals.
Try it on 3 on the 3 for.
Tu guardate bene costa 5, no 4. Io costa 5 euro. Ho messo 4 e ricambio tu.
Oh, let's see. 4? 4?
4.
Grazie.
But the real reason I came here was to bike along the Roman Aqueducts. So I ventured through the gardens of the catacombs. From old roads to older ones. Through the Roman hood. And by the olive trees. Finally, I reached Aqueduct Park.
Wow. So I guess that's like the modern one. And then over here, those are definitely the old ones. Very cool. They're behind the giant fences though. Very nice. Take a little break here. Okay, so I just loaded up on some grapes here. Got my grapes, my expensive €4 Gatorade, and some flatbread here. So yeah, let's get a mouthful of grapes and then get back on this bike. See if I can get closer to the aqueduct further down the line here. So I'm gonna be following this bike trail. Where the center's been rebuilt too. Very cool. Look at this. The original aqueduct. Keep biking along here then. Gotta watch out for the thorny ones here. They'll rip you up. Look at these ones. The green ones are just covered in thorns. Got my arm. Ouch. One branch hits you, you get stabbed 10 times. Here we go. This is more like I imagined. Glad they have those killer bushes cut back. Those things are brutal. They reach out over the path and try to kill. Aqueducts are great because it's not as built up as the Colosseum, where the government is trying to repair it every single year just for the tourism. This is more authentic. Little hangout over here. I'm going though. Looks like a good place to hang out to me. I got bamboo over here too, that's nice. Got sort of a tropical vibe to it. Alright. Cool. Up here for a second.
You might start to notice the trees that have the flat top. Those are the stone pine trees, which are native to Italy.